Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we find ourselves in the vast fields of corn, where the labor and passion of farmers intertwine to create a vibrant tapestry of life. The sky is a brilliant blue, and the golden sunlight cascades down, illuminating each tall corn stalk, making the ripe ears glisten like droplets of joy from the heavens. Here, the farmers, dressed in simple yet warm attire, toil diligently, nurturing every single corn plant with hands that are calloused yet full of love. They sow each seed not just with hopes of a bountiful harvest, but with a deep affection for the land that sustains them. Every laugh, every story exchanged among them is like a refreshing breeze, dispelling the heat of the sun and igniting a spirit of camaraderie. As the harvest season approaches, the atmosphere thickens with emotion. Ears of corn, golden and plump, are gathered with joy. The smiles on their faces shine brighter than the sun itself, illuminating the hopes and dreams they have nurtured throughout the season. Listen closely to the call of the land, where each ear of corn represents not just sustenance, but a tale of sacrifice, resilience, and unwavering belief in life. The beads of sweat rolling down their brows are not merely signs of toil, they are droplets of happiness and fulfillment as they witness the fruits of their labor. This is more than a job. It is life itself, the cradle of dreams and aspirations. Let us immerse ourselves in this moment, feel every heartbeat, every gentle breeze, and allow these genuine emotions to resonate within us. For here, every ear of corn is a part of their soul, a part of life itself.